Welcome students. Today we'll do exercise 3.2 of class 7 lesson data handling. Question 1 says the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follow. Means total mark is of 25 and number of student is 15. What are the marks scored? 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12 and 20. These are the marks obtained by the 15 student. Here we have to find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? Means in this you have total 3 questions. You have to find mode, median and last you have to say whether they are same or not. For solving this, first what we will do, we will arrange this given data in ascending or descending order. So let us first see which is the smallest. We will arrange them in ascending order. So first we will find which is the smallest number. 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5. So first 5, then we will write 9, 5, 9, then 10 we have here, 10, then we have 12, then after this 12, we have 15, 16 is also here, 16, 19, then 21, 2, 20, 20, 20, 20, 320, 420 is there. Okay, then 20, after 20, 25, 23, 23, 23, 23, 23, 25, 24. So we have 23, 24, 25 to 25s. Is any number left? We will count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all the numbers we have written, marks scored. Now we have to find mode. Mode means the data which comes at most number of times. So here what we see, 20 we have 4 times and 5 2 times. So maximum time is 20. So mode of data is equal to 20. Now we have to find median. Median means the middle one. Median means the middle one. So total observation is number of observation. You have number of observations is equal to 15. So 15 middle one, which one will be the middle one? So 15 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 8th one will be the middle. You can count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th. This one is the median. From this side also you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What we have done? If the number of observation is even or odd, if it is odd, we add 1 and divide by 2. Since we have 15 observations, so this one is odd number. In that we added 1 and divided by 2. So we are getting 8th. 8th observation will be the median. So median is equal to 15 plus 1 by observation. That is 8th observation, and 8th observation is 20. So median is 20. We got the first part, mode, second part also median, and the third part is are they same? Yes, mode and median are same. Therefore we will write yes, the mode and median are same. No doubt, I think. What you have to do, first arrange the given data in ascending order, then find the mode. Maximum, the maximum observation is known as mode, so maximum is 20, so that one will be the mode. To find median, if it is odd, you add 1 and divide by 2. If it is even, for that we'll see other example. So in question number 2, we have the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players. So number of players is given. Number of players is equal to 11. Is as follow. Run scored by each player is given, that is 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. Then we have to find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? So first we will find each things, then we will say first thing is to arrange the given data in ascending order. So starting, smallest run is 6, then 6, 6, 6, 6. After 6 we have 8. After 8, 8, 8 we have 10. We have 2 tens. 10 here also, and 2 players have scored same marks, 10, 10. Then after 10 we have 15, 1, 2 and 3, 15. 15, 15, 15, 3 times. Then we have 50, 80, 100 and 120. 50, 80, 100, 120. Anything is left? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is coming. Where we missed 6. Then we have 8. 6, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 10, 2 times. Oh, I have written 3 times, so this one is wrong. Only 2 times. Okay. Then mean. Mean is equal to sum of runs by number of players. Sum of runs means you add this one, 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 divided by number of players is 11. Add this one, how much you will get? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 15, 15, 15 and 8, 23, 29. 29, 9, 2. And remaining 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 8, 12, 12, 12, 12 and 5, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 2 and remaining 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 400, 29 divided by 11. Now divide and see. 429 by 11, 11, 3 are 33, 9, 9, 11, 9 times 99. So mean is 19. Mode, maximum you can see 15 is coming maximum number of times, so mode will be 15. Then median is equal to total observation is 11, so 11 plus 1 divided by 2 term will be the, that is 11 plus 1, 12, 12 divided by 6th one. 6th one means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is the median. Median is equal to 15. Okay. Now last question is that are the three same? No, we can say that it is not same because mean is 19, mode is 15 and median is 15. But mode and median are same. Mean is not same. So all the three are not same. You can write no no, the three are not same. Okay, no doubt in this one. First, write what is given, arrange the given data, then find the mean, mode and median. Last part, what it is asked.